Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to remove search suggestions when typing in Instagram. First, open your Instagram app and go to the search bar by tapping the magnifying glass icon at the bottom. Here you'll see a list of recent searches and suggested accounts or tags. To remove a suggestion, tap and hold on the search entry you want to delete. Then tap Hide or Remove when the option pops up. For a full reset, go to your profile and tap Your Activity. Scroll it down until you find Recent Searches. Keep in mind, Instagram might still show suggested accounts based on who you follow or interact with. You can turn off suggestions completely, but this helps reduce them. Just click Clear All, and that's it. And that's how to clean up your search suggestions on Instagram. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful tips. Thank you for watching.